Costing and production year 2024 and the prediction for 2025. Power of AI Engine and Python. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Authors videos and white papers on AI engines. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Book for your library. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. The process describes and outlines the flow of activities involved in bringing a product from initial customer interest to final purchase and delivery. Here's a breakdown of each step. Customer needs. Customers, this is the starting point, where customers need and desire a product. Marketing and research. Marketing, this step involves identifying the target market, understanding customer needs, and developing strategies to generate interest in new ones. Research, based on marketing insights, research gathers additional information on customer preferences, competitor offerings, and market trends. This helps refine product ideas or identify opportunities for improvement. Costing. This stage involves calculating the cost of manufacturing the product, including material costs, labor costs, and overhead expenses. This is crucial for setting the appropriate selling price. Product development. Development, here, the product concept takes shape. Engineers, designers, and other specialists work on creating a product that meets customer needs, considering functionality, aesthetics, and cost. Production and inventory management. Store material issue, this refers to the process of releasing materials from inventory for production. This ensures the necessary components are available to build the product. Order confirmation. Customer confirmed orders, this represents the point where the customer formally places an order for the product, indicating their intent to purchase. Production and delivery. Production, once orders are confirmed, the product is manufactured according to the design specifications. Shipping, after production, the finished products are packaged and shipped to the customer or a distribution center. Shipments, this stage tracks the movement of products from the manufacturer to the destination. Payment and records. Payments, this represents the customer completing the purchase and making payment for the product. Store material issue research and development, overall flow. The process starts with understanding customer needs, then moves to product development, production, and finally, delivery and payment. There's also a feedback loop where customer data can inform future research and development efforts. Additional notes. This is a simplified representation, and the specific steps may vary depending on the industry and company. Some companies may integrate marketing and research activities. Inventory management plays a crucial role throughout the process to ensure smooth production and order fulfillment. The bar chart shows a comparison of cost breakdown by product ID between the year 2024 and the predicted costs for 2025. Let's break it down. 1. Cost categories. Material cost represents the cost of raw materials used in production. Labor cost refers to the expenses associated with workforce wages and salaries. Overhead cost includes indirect costs like utilities, rent, and administrative expenses. 2. Product IDs. The x-axis lists 10 product IDs, example product ID 01 to product ID 10. 3. Bar chart. For each product ID, there are 3 bars grouped, one for each cost category. The light blue, red, and purple bars represent material cost, labor cost, and overhead cost, respectively, for the year 2024. The dark blue, orange, and gray bars represent the same costs for the predicted year 2025. 4. Observations. Compare the heights of the bars for each product ID between the 2 years. Identify any significant changes or trends in cost components. Remember that this chart provides an overview of cost variations, which can be crucial for decision-making and resource allocation. The bar chart shows a cost breakdown by product ID for 2 years, 2024, actual costs, and a prediction for 2025. The chart compares the following cost categories. Material cost, labor cost, overhead cost, total cost. X-axis. The X-axis displays the product IDs, which appear to be alphanumeric codes. Due to the large number of IDs, all labels are rotated 90 degrees for readability. Y-axis. The y-axis represents the cost on a scale that likely starts at 0 and goes up to around 7,000, but the exact increments are not labeled on the axis itself. Bars. Each product ID has a set of 4 bars next to it, representing the 4 cost categories mentioned earlier. The colors for the bars are: red, material cost; green, labor cost; yellow, overhead cost; blue, total cost, not explicitly colored in the legend, but implied based on its position. Interpretation. By comparing the heights of the bars for each product ID across the 2 years, 2024 and 2025, you can see how the cost breakdown is predicted to change. For example, if the red bar, material cost, for a product ID is shorter in 2025 compared to 2024, it suggests a potential decrease in material cost for that product in the coming year. Comment. The information is related to microeconomics, specifically within the area of costing and production. Here's a breakdown. Microeconomics. This branch of economics focuses on individual consumers, firms, and markets. Costing and production are crucial aspects for firms in a market, as they need to understand the expenses associated with making a product and how to optimize production for profitability. The process diagram describes the typical flow of activities involved in bringing a product to market. It starts with understanding customer needs and progresses through marketing, research, development, production, delivery, and finally, payment. This flow highlights the importance of understanding customer needs and efficiently managing the production process. The bar chart. The bar chart visually represents the cost breakdown by product for 2 years, 2024, actual costs, and 2025, predicted costs. It compares 4 cost categories: material cost, labor cost, overhead cost, total cost, implicitly shown by the 4th bar. Thank you.